In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add audio tracks and manipulate them in DaVinci Resolve 20. So I have my project here. When I want to add audio, I can either go to this media pool, which if it isn't visible, you can click here on media pool and make sure you're in the edit option. You can right click and choose to import media, or you can just drag the media into it, which you want to use. And then you drag that media down in this audio track here, which if you don't have an audio track, you can right click here and then choose add track and choose whatever you want to add for audio track. Now we can manipulate this audio. Let me first zoom out a bit. You can shorten it. You can also shorten the front if you want to, and then reposition it if needed. You can also add a fade in and a fade out, which is really easy in DaVinci Resolve. If you hover on top of your audio, you can see this white thingy here. And if you drag that, as you can see, now I'm adding a fade in. And you can do the same at the end to add a fade out. And by the way, you can do the same with your video footage with this little white icon. You can add a fade in and a fade out for your video footage as well. So that's a quick tutorial on how you can add audio into DaVinci Resolve and also manipulate that audio in length and add a fade in or a fade out to it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.